Hello, I want to share about this website called cambridgeenglish.org. This is a great resource both for students who are learning English or for those who want to teach English. It offers up a lot of information and free resources in regards to English. So for example, schools, learners, teachers, organizations. It helps break up the relevant category for the people who are searching on this website for information. Up here, there's the different social medias or SNSs that you can follow where they share things about information, classes, tips to learn, or tips on how to teach. Also here, it has information on exams and tests. For example, IELTS is now starting to become popular in Japan. So this is a great resource to get some information for students on the IELTS exam, right? The International English Language Testing System. Here in Learning English, there is free activities, so teachers can come here and look at some free activities, or students. Exam prep, you can test your English, so even for parents, right, games and social medias. On the game site, it's really cool. They have this app game, right? So a free app game for the app and for the iPad and iPhone. So you can check this. Visit our monkey's favorite places, play 8 mini games to test your English. So this could be really fun for little kids. They have their YouTube channel, the Cambridge English TV. So I think this is a great resource. I'm not going to open this right now. Also for the teaching English, right? It talks about CELTA. CELTA has now become very popular for people to take courses in before they come and teach in Japan, or for English as second language or foreign language. So here's some information on CELTA. Also the iCELT for teaching the exam of IELTS. Let's see, there's professional development, more resources for teachers. There's even a blog, news, events. I think this is a really great resource as a website with a lot of free information, right? So let's see, so here on teaching English, so qualifications, professional development, resources. So the professional development is, it shows you where to take courses or how much the courses cost. But here they also have some free development resources. So I think this website is really good. So I would really recommend it for those teaching English or who want to have resources for students to learn English. Thank you.